Dear student, this is the problem number 6. Okay, draw the top and front view of a cone of base diameter 45 mm and height 65 mm lying with one of its generator on HP. The axis is parallel to VP. Okay, so this is a 10 marks problem. This question is asked in the year April-May 2019. So the problem is based on a cone and its base diameter is a 45 mm diameter. That means if the diameter 45, we should take a 22.5. Okay, so now I am going to draw the XY line. X, Y, and this is VP by HP. So the base diameter is 45 mm. So diameter is 45. I am going to take the radius 22.5. So this is the 22.5. From here to here 22.5. I am going to make a center point. Okay, draw the circle of diameter. So this is the 45 mm diameter circle. From this center point, draw the vertical line to meet the XY line. That means the vertical line should be perpendicular. Okay, and draw the horizontal line from this center point. So this horizontal line should be parallel to XY line. So there are 4 points are there, and here I am going to make one more point, that is, this is the 90 and this is the 45. Similarly, this is the 90 degree, 45 degree. That means I am going to make the another line for referring purpose. Right, so how many points we have divided? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so in this problem I am going to make 8 equal parts. In previous problem I make 12 equal points. So you can divide any kind of points, but it should be 6 8 12 10 like that. You have to divide. Okay, so this is point A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so draw the vertical line from each point to meet the XY line. Okay, so these vertical lines are projection lines. Okay, so this is the center point. From this center point we are going to draw the vertical line at a height 65 mm. Okay, similarly draw the line joining to meet at a vertical height 65 mm at it both ends. Okay, so this is the A dash is visible point, B dash visible point, and H dash it is invisible point. C visible point, G invisible point, that should be written in bracket, D visible point, F visible point, and E is also visible point. F is should be written in bracket, that is invisible point. So this is the O1. Okay, so O1 is front view of the cone, and from here to here the axis height is 65 mm. Okay, so the diameter of this cone base is diameter 45, right? So this is the first stage of front view, and this is the first stage of top view. And let us to draw the second stage of front view. So in this second stage of front view, the cone of the generator is lying on the HP. That means point O1 to E is nothing but a generator. So this is the generator of the cone. Okay, so this generator will be lying on the HP. So I don't know what is the distance from O to E. Okay, but here I am going to make one point. So this is called E dash. Okay, I am going to take the distance from here to here, that is E to O. Okay, so mark the from this point to this point, right? This point is called as what? O dash. That means E to O dash, this end generator is lying on the HP. That means this line will be rest on the HP. Okay, so same distance E to O, mark at some distance and take the distance from E to A. So this is point E and mark. So this is the O and E and E to A. So this is the E to A. So this point is A dash, right? So join the line from E to A and A to O. Okay, so this cone will be rest on the HP. Okay, so similarly we are going to make a distance from E to D, the same distance from here also, and draw the E to C point. Okay, so draw the line. It should be thin line. Okay, so this is the B dash in bracket H dash, C dash in bracket G dash, and D dash in bracket F dash. Okay, and this is the O dash. Okay, so this is the front view of second stage, and draw the next procedure is draw the vertical line from each point with the help of second stage of front view. Right, so next draw the horizontal line from the first stage of top view. Right, here I am going to coincide the 2 points from this to this, the point A and this is the point A. These 2 points are coincide here, that is A. Similarly B, okay, and C, this is the point C, and D, this is the point D, and E, so this point is E, and F, and finally G. And this point is H. Right, so this is point center O to O. Right, so above the base circle is visible line, and the upper part of the ender generator is also visible line. Okay, so draw the curve to meet every point. Right, and draw the tangent line of the ellipse. So this is the ellipse. Okay, and draw the line to meet at its ends. So this is the top view of second stage. Okay, thank you.